This next problem is asking us to recode genres so that all genres except for action, adventure, thriller, suspense, drama, and comedy are listed as others. So basically, if it's not one of these variables here, and I call everything a variable, we need to code it as other. And it gives us a hint. It says those in other are genres with fewer than 16 movies. Okay. So we can approach this two ways. So I downloaded the data set here, and it's going to enable this. We do not need most of this right now. I'm going to hide all of this. Hide. So now we've just got our movie titles. We don't even need this. Hide. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. So here I'm just gonna do a pivot table. So if I highlight this, insert pivot table, that's my range. Got genre. Yeah. So I'm gonna put genre. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the rows. So now I'm gonna drag down genre. And then it gives us the count, right? So the question is asking us for the count of comedy, drama, thriller, suspense, adventure, action. So we can go ahead and put in, we have our counts for comedy. It's right here. We got that from our pivot table. We can go ahead and put our value in for drama, thriller, suspense, adventure, and action. Action is up here, 20. So we got those first few all the way up to action. Now we just need other. So basically what you can do, you go down here and set the equal, put your equal sign right there, and go to everything else that don't have shit to do with what you already got. So if I come out and just hit escape, I'm gonna highlight this. I'm gonna hover over. I'm gonna press the control key and hover over this, adventure, action. So that leaves black comedy, documentary, horror, musical, romantic comedy. I'm gonna highlight all that shit yellow. So if I go down here and hit the equal sign, I can go up and just hit that plus that plus that plus that plus that, 32. Alright, so I know that was a little like extra, that was a little confusing maybe, but it gives you your answer. It's 32. So everything in the other categories, it totals 32. And it says that in the other categories, this includes genres with fewer than 16 movies. As we can see, everything that we've calculated for the other category has fewer than 16 movies. Okay, we could have also done it this way. We could have just copied all of this, copy into a new tab, paste as a value, right? And we could have done the same thing, right? We could have just calculated everything other than, you know, that's less than 16. That plus that plus that plus that plus that. Oh shit. Why is it saying plus? Oh, here we go. Boom. 32. So now we got our other category and it equals 32. That's how you get the first part, right?